Skip tracing is a powerful investigative tool, and like all powerful tools, using it correctly requires understanding the legal framework that governs it. At People Locator. Skip tracing, compliance isn't an afterthought. It's built into everything we do. Here's the framework you need to understand if you're using skip tracing services professionally. The primary federal law governing the use of consumer information in skip tracing is the Fair Credit Reporting Act, the FCRA. Under the FCRA, consumer report information can only be used for permissible purposes. For skip tracing professionals, permissible purposes include collection of a debt owed by the consumer, legal process service, location for child or spousal support enforcement, and certain law enforcement and judicial purposes. This matters practically because professional skip tracing databases, the powerful platforms that produce reliable results, are only available to users who have a credentialed permissible purpose. If you're ordering skip tracing services from People Locator Skip Tracing, you'll be asked to certify your permissible purpose. This is a legal requirement, not a formality. The Graham-Leach-Bliley Act, GLBA, adds additional restrictions on the use of financial information. The Driver's Privacy Protection Act, DPPA, governs the use of motor vehicle records. Each of these statutes defines specific permissible uses and prohibits obtaining records for purposes outside those uses. State privacy laws add another layer. California's CCPA, New York's privacy regulations, Illinois BPA, and dozens of other state statutes impose requirements that vary by state and by the type of data being accessed. Here's the practical compliance checklist for skip tracing users. Number 1. Confirm your permissible purpose before ordering. Are you a creditor trying to collect a legitimate debt? An attorney trying to serve a defendant? A process server? A bail bondsman? A government agency? These are all legitimate purposes. Stalking, harassment, or personal curiosity are not. Number 2. Use results only for the stated purpose. Obtaining location information for debt collection and then using it to contact the subject for personal reasons is a FCRA violation with serious legal consequences. Number 3. Protect the data you receive. Investigative data contains sensitive personal information. It should be stored securely, accessed only by authorized staff, and not retained longer than necessary for the stated purpose. Number 4. Document your permissible purpose for each search. If your use of skip tracing data is ever questioned, you need to be able to demonstrate the legitimate purpose behind each inquiry. Number 5. Stay current on state-specific restrictions. Several states have enacted laws that go beyond federal minimums. If you're regularly conducting investigations in California, Texas, New York, Illinois, or other high regulatory states, periodic legal review of your procedures is important. At People Locator Skip Tracing, we have maintained FCRA-compliant operations since 2004. We verify permissible purpose for every order. Our data access is credentialed and audited by our database providers. Visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com to learn more about our compliance framework or to place a compliant professional skip tracing order.